So imagine this, sobrang excited ka para mag-DJ, na-prepare mo na yung buong set mo, and then pag-apak mo dun sa venue, the DJ before you suddenly plays almost all of the songs that you were planning on playing. Anong gagawin mo pag ganun? This is the reason why parati ako nagdadala ng twice as much music as I think I'm going to need. So sabihin natin, 1 hour yung DJ set, I'm gonna make sure na sa flash drive ko, meron na akong dalang at least 2 hours worth of music para may pwede akong pagpilian. More often than not, dala-dala ko yung laptop ko, tapos andun yung buong music collection ko. Pero I don't search from my entire music collection. Maghanap ako sa mga playlists ko that I make. So again, what's my rule? If I'm playing a 1 hour DJ set, I usually make playlists worth 2 hours. At the very least, minsan 3 hours pa yan, minsan 4 hours, sometimes even more than that. Maganda siyang practice para hindi ka nauubusan ng kanta habang nagdi-DJ ka, or if the DJ before you plays the songs that you already